Hello, fragrance specialists. My name is Chance. Welcome to my guide, and thank you so much for taking a look at another essential oil breakdown. Today, we're going to be looking at Sweet Marjoram. Now, this is going to be one of those oils that I want to say I've seen most commonly used by the more professional or commercial grade aromatherapists. I don't usually see it in too many people's home collections, though. Then again, I mean, it is a pretty sweet oil. Its price point is alright, and its uses are kind of off the charts, and it blends well with a decent amount of popular oils. So I don't really know why it isn't more popular in every circle. I can only assume that the main reason for it is because it's not really associated with aromatherapy directly. When you think of aromatherapy, you usually think of rose, the citrus oils like lemon, orange, those guys. You think of lavender a lot, but you don't really think of Sweet Marjoram. So I think that's a lot to do with it, but it is a great oil overall, and I don't know, maybe this video will help it get some more exposure that it's due. But in any case, before we move on to its profile, always consult your doctor before use. Better to be safe than sorry, of course. Now taking a look at its scent, it is most commonly described as having a herbaceous, warm, and spicy aroma. Under uses, you'll see a lot. Muscle relaxant, muscular and abdominal pain, headaches, menstrual and menopausal symptoms, bruises, gastrointestinal disorders, indigestion, spasms, constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, diverticulosis, insomnia, stress, and anxiety. Once again, kind of all over the board, which is ultimately a good sign. And its method of extraction is most commonly steam distilled, and it blends well with eucalyptus, German chamomile, Roman chamomile, peppermint, Ravintsara, rosemary, and wintergreen, which are all ludicrously popular oils in their own rights. And if you want to check out the videos on them, just check out the playlist, and they'll all be in there, all broken down for you. On other notes, you'll just see possible irritant. That's really all there is to it. I haven't found any insane reactions to Sweet Marjoram in any form or post, so it's safe to assume for like 99% of the population it's really safe. The caveat there being following proper dilution and best practices, of course. Now let's take a look at its history. Marjoram is indigenous to Cyprus, Turkey, Mediterranean, Western Asia, Arabic Peninsula, and the Levant. Was well known to Greeks and Romans as a symbol of happiness. Marjoram is used for seasoning soups, stews, dressings, sauces, and for herbal teas. Really interesting stuff. I wasn't expecting it to have such a strong culinary tie to it, but it is still pretty cool nonetheless. And ultimately, this is a good looking history for an essential oil, used all over the place for a very long time, has some symbolism as well in various cultures, and is still used today, which is awesome. This is basically the perfect setup. Now let's take a quick look at a recipe here. This will be a soothing massage oil. Really simple stuff. I like doing these. The ingredients are usually quite sparse, which is great, and they're usually very effective. This particular one is 2 drops Sweet Marjoram, 2 drops Roman Chamomile, and 1 drop Red Mandarin, and 1 tablespoon fractionated coconut oil. That's really all there is to it. Use only light pressure with upward strokes and no pressure on the downward strokes. That's really the only advice. Really good stuff overall. Now let me know what you think of Sweet Marjoram down beneath in the comments section. Mention any thoughts, questions, comments, or concerns you may have, and of course drop all the recipes you have as well. Always love reading them. Now, of course, if you want to get your hands on some Sweet Marjoram, please do so using Rocky Mountain Oils. Links down beneath in the description. And as always, guys, I hope you have a great day and may all of your future endeavors smell divine.